my better TV so. All right, now, and a Friday. There's another story I want us to talk about. And Obia Nimsa story where you say, Akpaloo. LPG's Kofi Akpaloo is being investigated for fraud, causing financial loss to the state, dissipation of public funds, falsification of documents, and money laundering. Akpaloo, I don't know if I became a bed in Papa, we hear Malam Jaffa. They are making kind uncross back with the 8 years. Sanya making kind of Akpaloo, charge the boy, over check fucking Akpaloo, and they start here well now because we will jail. Almost say LPG's one A4. So I'm for any APZ for Muntie Brofuno. Charges a gumuno, and your charges wow, and your charges Monamokan message charge bem and a gum. Yes, see LPG's Kofi Akpaloo is being investigated for 1, fraud. 2, causing financial loss to the state. 3, dissipation of public funds. 4, falsification of documents. 5, money laundering. Mr. Bawku be 30 years. I'm a Akpaloo we no nam krasia. Akpaloo. Nam gra money a way or some processing for court next week. EOCO boss, call the Attorney General and process this guy for court next week. We don't need Akpaloo to be walking on the street of Ghana. Or somebody needs some no dem no woo. Aborting. Akpaloo krom 4. Akpaloo way on the Ghana in Kwasiade. Per the EOCO statement, Akpaloo has been charged with fraud, money laundering, falsification of documents, and on 8 years. Say falsification of offer documents, no change paper, no change ding, now do I and no put a chrono or heaven. Now, dear friend, dissipation of public funds. Next, a bicycle, what it were you work with the Kudi or the way I could ye, or the way I could talk. Just a bicycle and wash it him, and your friend, dissipation, wash it him. Yes, Akpaloo has dissipated the government public funds. Akpaloo has dissipated. You have dissipation. You have dissipated. Just wash it him. A bicycle where you no check where you say no to je. Where you went on a cobo jantra or corner or Salome. Or far away no the uraha. No yisika or the bojant or the dinkwa or tea no at condom. No the biatobentua. No yisika dinkwa sesam. Dissipation. Was say a bicycle wash it him. Near cats wash it out by Sikimwa. Akpaloo be check where you. A very dangerous man. Akpaloo on it a year. Say Obama Pokwase. Akpaloo ni Akwawi. They are the same. Akpaloo ni Akwawi. Kwasi ya onyeze mijano. Akpaloo ni Akwawi. My friend say Obama Pokwase. The same character. Say Obama Pokwase no wasisa a year in Induboni any a tuo. Bomb near the Adena or the test or the Bekuni power Ghana and whatever to social media. Per investigators no report no police investigations no. Was sister Akundia near Woodie. Sa Acheampong way. Your friend say Obama the Dean Eddie Daniel Adomako. And a what's sister a Woodie a tuo and a Wadia Kosie. And a while I just saw the Bekuni pa and a police channel. Akpaloo to Ashite Abaisikemu. These are the same criminals per the police investigations. Eti Akpaloo media yanka no kre obehye mache and I was say making sure say Akpaloo ko jail one kom kura limited 22 years obeba no wu two no kasa chrono from the EOCO statement Akpaloo is being investigated for fraud. Eti technically Akpaloo per the EOCO statement or a fraudster. Omoda who investigating. 2, he has caused financial loss to the state. Wa shut down in the near daho and with dear bicycle. They need the whole no we are bicycle. I found causing financial loss to the state. They need the whole fenchem and away we are a bicycle. Akpaloo. 3, dissipation of public funds. A bicycle and wash it him. Or to me 200, 500 Ghana bond no a take no a pete. Wash it him. Or say a bicycle. Akpaloo or your bay for and I quit my friend be falsification of document. Akpaloo to be tam krata. Now washoda akoma printing press for actual say for which $2 million. Abra odim say adiana oye no bone also 50,000 Ghana no. Now we yi come abako now the 3 zeros abe count na say 5 million Ghana of falsified documents. Documents we na an address no we yin address no the name ami address asha ho. Ebi o ha onim say brofo no enye brofo ye ne dia otumi kotu copy no dia be wurem na or the stamp for falsification of documentations. Dia Akpaloo ya no. Enti Akpaloo de who simple say or your comfortable mo aboating per the EOCO statement. Very dangerous guy. Into mama ni shem no onwu I will check or chain.
I don't have anything to come and deceive Ghanaians.
Okay. Kofi, aban we buy when your contract da.
Oh yes.
We are Juma Bay.
Well, you might be some your businessman. So we name if you're team some your business.
Oh, we jump contract ben when ya.
Me say I know they say business asem.
Project I don't who we
business I demand be my bia me go so am here.
Debbie Kofi. Project now man as a businessman no what complete.
My many oh my say
we anything.
Me say my
Kofi. Aban buy one contract.
Aban my contract too. Okay. No. Mami Kasemi, people should get this clear.
Are you changing your
No. I'm a businessman. Please get this.
The businessman aban the other man on your contract.
Dabio. Ya wadie bi kasa na wo kan asante kasa na wo kan.
When your asante contract is not true.
Dabi to ba say, hey, kasa ya wo kan na.
Okay, the businessman aban.
Me pa to nya botre. Aban ma me bibia na botre. Na botre. There are two things. Ya wadie say aban say bra beji koye. Any dia wo wakohwehwe na wanya.
No problem in na contract.
Dabi dia me makohwehwe me menya no.
No yes contract.
Me pato
say a very simple question. You gave me a very beautiful answer. What aban buy one man contract? What say?
Me say
and
me a businessman.
When we adwuma na aban dem out say no.
Kodo me pato na otre. Me a businessman. People should get this clear.
It's a businessman aban.
Me pato na otre. Na otre. Wo no kodo so questions no we no say nipa na we share no can say me no
a very simple question
na me na start kumasi nya akra
o wa man contract
kumasi nya akra do say question na so buza so ma ho ansa
Kofi
kwado nya botre
aban ba wa man contract Ghana for Kofi Ajia to say aban na man contract
na aban ma contract
ebi o ho a we
aban ma me contract
it's a businessman
me pacho na botre me pacho me ma adwuma ama ECG for
adwuma ben ya
me supply na ma wo
ndema ben ya
transformers enema bebrebe different
who supply transformers ma ECG
enema bebrebe
eti wo ma ECG dey contract to any business
and business in there
to supply transformers to ECG you must go to tender.
Exactly.
That now wait me a present wo
in America say Kofi want you didn't say
it's why supply it's man ECG
exactly
who company near friend say
Kevin Platinum
who supply how many transformers
the one they said those mean can do
total amount they say
2 million and 2 million promise 1.9 million
million saying
dollars.
What supply we?
When
you see the answer, the helium,
baby,
Debbie Bobo. You come from there. Who be the president? Who to mean radios? Let me tell you the trick. Why I asked you, say, original chairman, we your friend say, we your friend say, we your friend say. I was coming to this question. So you do not tell me you have forgotten. So what kind of original chairman India? Don't forget the contract.
Maybe. So catch me say, am I supposed to do business in Ghana? I'm not supposed to do business in Ghana.
No. I'm not saying don't do business.
So one time I send my talk question.
No, every Ghanaian, even foreigners, are doing business.
Fantastic. I love that.
It is also part of our day-to-day business to ask whoever.
Fantastic.
Is being paid with our money.
No, maybe. You don't pay me with your money.
No, it is our taxes that government used to pay you.
No.
Taxes.
Maybe. And no, you don't have right to ask me that.
I have that right.
No. Because
I never put me in the president.
Then
you can be a good president.
Let me explain to you.
That's why I told you.
No.
You are done for.
No.
Journalists ni busa the question be. Obusa journalists no car no say. Aha na person this ankomo ya na. It is the same thing your friend is doing. The same thing you are doing here this morning.
No. Listen.
So tell me.
Will you allow me to? Will you allow me to?
I have a question for you.
Okay.
So
let me.
I'm a contract be brave and a business be brave.
Yeah.
What about ECG? Dear him.
Yeah. Maybe so. Let me come on you.
Hey, but we need questions now.
That me are normal. Okay. But maybe some matter say there are two things. You have not engaged me. Define
democracy. Define democracy. You said liberals.
No.
You guys are in charge of the fundamentals of democracy. Okay, go ahead.
You have not employed me.
I have.
No. Let me finish. So,
okay. All right.
You have not engaged me. You have not employed me.
As a person.
Or my business. You have not engaged our business for a service.
Yes.
But you.
It is who engaged you?
No. Let me finish.
No. Who engaged you?
Oh, let me finish.
No. I haven't engaged you.
And American.
There be me engage you. It's when I engage you.
The one engaging me for a service. It's a different company. It's ECG who has engaged.
There be ECG the when they are.
ECG a limited company.
ECG a limited company. When I am majority shareholder?
I don't know.
A government?
No.
That's why I asked you, sir.
So,
I'm buying our contract. You answered yes.
TV3.
I'm buying our businesses. We say yes. Na eye bebre.
TV3.
TV3.
Yeah. And I say media general.
Media general.
Yeah.
You know.
But I want to know the owner.
Where private business?
No. I want to know if
you ask me at my level, anti-media.
Whenever anti-media.
No, at my level, media general is anti-me's own. Your friend Beatrice Ajiman, Nadia.
Oh, okay, fantastic. On the am I any shares?
The way you're purely private.
Oh, okay, fantastic.
Call him. This is the next question.
Which one?
What can first contract ECG?
Yeah.
Now say a doorso until next one I buy the amount.
And I'm just saying,
what's the school? When your school building project? No, Kofi. When your school building project? Debbie, one my baby. Kofi, I buy my school. Diana, who see na?
I buy.
When you're from either Get Fund, Ministry of Education, Ghana Education Service, who see school Diana?
I want you
maybe so.
But I want you fine.
No, I'm only asking. There be Annie.
I want you fine.
No, Kofi. When your school project,
me see school die.
When your school building project,
me see school die. There be see me because me see school die.
There be Tambe na we see school.
One year
Tambe.
Me say 2002, 2008.
Krobenso.
2015.
There be Krobenso 2002 na see school die.
I say as a monkey.
Who see chair and I said you're buying contract?
Oh, no, Ghana Education Service.
Okay, so it was a government project.
Yes.
Number 2.
And at 2015.
Okay, 2002 the other then 2 unit, 3 unit, 5 units.
Oh, no, 6 units.
6 units classroom block. Okay, that's how now Kumase.
No Kumase.
Okay, 2002.
Yeah, 2002. Yeah.
Okay. So how many years?
Me age. No 54.
Oh, 54.
I say October 54.
Okay, so around that time, we were a little above 30 years.
Wow, 32.
You were 32.
Yeah.
And we see first government project.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And the second one here.
Oh, that was 2015.
Okay. So I will say I buy we amount contracts in the businesses in the Bibli. Ebi need here. What about Ghana? What about ECG? There him.
Adwuma mayor no. Uti adwuma mayor no. Me be so tia say we go to tender, we apply for
no,
tender.
I understand, Kofi.
So,
sitting here with
you, you have to give
Kofi, sitting here as... No, Kofi, Mr. With all due respect to you. We are senior brother. We are senior brother. Hold on. Let me finish.
I want to explain the process. Say, Mama Fonte said,
so let me finish. That's what I'm saying.
People go for tender,
Kofi,
and when they get a tender,
they very simple. Many women say say aban advertising adwuma
fantastic
enkrofo kopre wo kochro wakofa form na wato form no na wako
insurance
wo koye bibi awie na say yaji utuma na yama mobilization money
dabi
oh train Kofi that one why aban contract
me say mobilization
dabi
that is where you are getting it wrong
and I say I'm not getting anything wrong and I say what me kwakwaye pre-financing na waba na abaye tua oka that is why I'm asking you say CA project ben na wo ya ma abaye we wie ni na
and I'm see the
my 5
that be and 5
you have not completed your project abaye the man but you have been paid
no nobody has paid me
abaye ni tua oka
exactly
je hin ye ntua o
me wo aduma me ye no what is ahafo
aduma be ya
road
ukoye kwan
yes me drew about 70%.
But I buy into you.
Exactly.
A kwan be ya half of him.
That is ayomso
kwan no. Kofi won't do 70%.
No,
Kofi ayomso won't do 70%. I brought this on won't do 70%.
May say now
how many kilometers?
So winning them.
Oh, Kofi.
Kofi.
No.
That was winning them on
Kofi. May say
may say what you mean yes. It means you have information. So how many kilometers?
The contractor. You don't have any business. Who need contracting firm? And found say bia we building technology or road technology or whatever. You can have a company and you can have expertise. I am so quite how many kilometers?
And I'm going to say, what say me do 70%? I'm telling you, I've reached 70%. And you are telling me I've not reached 70%.
Okay.
So tell me the kilometers.
Fantastic.
If you know that, tell me the kilometers.
Where do 70%?
Fantastic.
What shall I say with him?
May say, what say me do 70%?
Where do we do him?
Dabi. Where answer question no anabua.
We do 70%. Where do 70? Where do we shall say with him?
Okay, now share na do 70 no.
Where do 70%? Say yaja to where do 70?
That was who no way.
Dabi Kofi. I am so quite where do 70%? And how many kilometers?
Okay, and now we'll say we'll cover and ask me now.
Kofi, we first 5 kilometers. When you were paid.
Kofi, answer question.
Kofi, first 5 kilometers.
Because you are claiming. You are claiming yes, I mean do 70%. I
am so quiet.
And I just said I want in front of him. Also so chairman.
I am so.
And I'm saying,
you be phone line. I am so form free.
You
have been paid by the Queen Winge.
The patrol will be empty. I'm over 8 million.
8 million Ghana.
Yes.
A 2 years road contractor that dear him.
Now so information.
I am only asking you simple questions.
Question you to some you. But don't
is it true? Okay, what can you win? What can say abino amount contract be?
But
is it true? Is it true? Debi me ba. Ejuma be na why abin tuaka.
And mama
any dear him.
Me say ayo super my.
Is it tuaka?
O send my brother mutua meka.
I am so.
Bro mo brother mutua meka.
Ene de him.
Hello. Sa bro brother.
Kofi ene de him.
Mo brepa.
I am so. Abando ka ene de him.
Oh me Bawku brekum.
Ano so ye ben. Ano so ye kwan. Ti ano so wajai.
Oh yes, because my
mutua. Ene de him.
My head mutua meka tino. I can't continue. I have to finish. I have to pay me before I continue.
Okay, fantastic. Ene de him.
Oh me Bawku what is saying?
Central region, or maybe another Ashanti region, and Eastern and Ashanti region.
A share. Do to bring a cranaso baby.
And so about TI.
And so
we are up to how many percent?
Oh, sir, my year bear 65%.
And also about TI. How many kilometers?
Oh, 9.5 kilometers.
What's that if he?
If I be 15 to who?
Okay, when I was starting here.
Yeah.
And
that's the distance.
Say 65 to say 9 kilometers, 9.5 kilometers. Yeah. No, why is 65? And that's
why so also who kwan na ho and road no say we be do hanom na ha onya you.
Is it true Saban to car around 89 million Ghana cedis?
Oh, are they 89 million say.
Okay, say
here.
First one is 8 million.
But you mama choice.
Saban to car 89 million.
Quano, yeah, you stages. You will be a clearing on the road because the Quano, you boy,
65% now, so we're 65.
Maybe, Mamma Chum, stages. To be clear, Quano,
compact, 65% now.
Over here, a concrete works. Concrete works, you know, say, a gutter, over gutter,
Kofi,
over your son, over your bridges,
bridges, where we are 65%.
Anyways, a stage, it's why you maybe and a percentage
9 kilometers now, the man.
And to know, and so when you said, why you be 3 kilometers,
Yamau a quine,
yeah,
total contract, something you're saying.
Total contract,
yes,
and there's my shaman. I said,
it is a say no.
And now, Mamma Mawa Debbie. A man be a man is Cassam from Koya.
Yankas,
no, I mean a music car, Koya, by an entry, because you know, Gun How much I'm for our dreams? Oh, yeah, in an amount of Cassaja quiet. It's not true. People should get this clear. Government,
it would have pre-financing road.
Be my members can be
very good.
It's one of my patrol. You know, buy my deposits there. The deposit no quite mammy.
Okay, into
you need to get this clear because Ghana for the so about my scanning a wine.
Breaksdown side the hall and
that's all. Asan.
There be about 3. Ashanti region.
Yeah.
I don't need be brain.
And I said one.
It says a total bind or Casay.
Oh, me need of this me checking or me payment voucher so and I'm
enti say ekoba say CCA aban ka say on the car aban ho be won
aban so on the car oh say bibi o de me ka bia o pepa so
there be so ka on the car aban ho be won
I carry so pepa so bibi o pepa so na bibi ada na say na adwuma na wo ye na say bia aban na hotel Jubilee House mama wa adwuma wo ya oh yeah adwuma na wo ye no utie
yenim say yen sign road contract to Jubilee House
exactly
Kofi
Dabi wona me no kaso so mo se watie for no bi o ma na adwen say e bia abana kukuru bibia ma me say
odo tobri no
wo dia wo kan wo ti okodo ti aso ekoma na yedi ni ye nipa na no mo hwe no o mu tie o da me che no eti obi wo wadwene da otime sa na dan o mo tie ni na
no it doesn't matter it question no way
no it matters because obi o ma na adwen say oh akwa na ban kukuru bia ma mi
o da be say kukuru contract amount je don't tia
no kukuru contract ma mi
wa ma contract
da bi kukuru contract ma mi ya bede contract ni advertise wo
enti wo
ya kwa bede na manya ti say de papa bi fu
Kofi woni ho am na court tender
o na be dem aka wo so mo do so
sure
o na be de aka na o manum ko ebe pa adwuma be ka wo
wo am no be pa adwuma
so ha kwa do me pa adwuma wo ye to ban be say ba bi akopa adwuma foforo no first time no ko be ka wo no ko pa adwuma o say na o ko je be sa for the first time o mo a wo no ko chia o mo po be so be ka wo nya
oh there be say no there o can there be Kofi
to be there there say na me
there be o can say there o
dem me say me
o person di president to say analogy bi o ha wo
ya analogy na me ye na so tie question say no analogy me so there be question
as a president na ya ka to say nipa say na onom ko na obusa say wo a ekoto about constituency no wuni mo mu nyina
there be so question na obusa me say omo am ko pretender no me omo yes me kai wo how would I know all those things
enti say ya me no ka say Kofi
yeah
say wa wo kanya me so nsem no kura ban say Ghana fo nhwe so nto aba mawo odo tobiri kwan no dem pa na wo ye wo ho aban ntua ye say ye dwuma wo ye
okay yeah drains that's the gutters and then
we are gutters from a hin to hin
from baby I so ye bia say ne say wo ye no one place a different bia umuhia no na wa ye baby umuhia no wa ye and na wo ye
wo say kwan no 15 kilometers
no me say a mile 15
to who
a chrono de
mile 15 to who
yeah
and also why a day
you know yeah covet wouldn't covet
minim covet
fast bridge ketwa na di twan man so
e wo do tobiri
e dey wo drains that go to that e kwan chen no
okay
yeah ni nyina
okay
and na one yasan agu sub base e ka sub base a di kwan na di gravels agu so what I say Akosi.
Ewodo Tobiri.
Oh yes.
Akosi him.
Akosi. That's from mile 15 to who?
Ayen. Okay, so the gravel say gusua.
Yeah.
That is the first quota na.
Sana
ye friend.
Ne quota we fa quota nguzo. Gravels. You know, anya kokono.
They were more compact no.
Easily. It's your first one. Any for the sub base.
And it's compact first.
Exactly.
We know.
Exactly.
And also why 65% of that road.
Yeah, it's more than you.
It is that 65% that comprises the end day.
And I'm a catcher.
It is a we share contractor now catcher say your man 10 kilometers of road. Say on ye now why 65%. What is that supposed to be?
Yeah, to you know, who as an ordinary person, be I won't touch. But was not here. The Chinese say, do money their man no. A different and compact and obey. So the machine. A be a guys to be our own 1 year gata.
Kofi.
And maybe to chichi. I don't want to know who be a chin.
One anymore.
And I never tell me a gata. And I said, because I got a quantum. Because I just only gravel work in corner because be able to be any kind of gatas. Now got to us. But the demo was 20%. Oh, I need the meeting just say 20%. I said,
and who compact it with
because I say a good. I say
because when you were saying that Abayama with Juma Mawai is 65%, I want you to break it down. And I make sure I constitute the 65%.
And then I make sure say I nema who do be prepared, but it be a percentage of
Kofi Abayama contract.
Yeah, I didn't.
Abayama contract.
Yes, oh, now
you have been giving jobs. You are not doing the work.
Now I do man what I say.
We are he.
No must watch baby my
baby. I would say, let me take you to Facebook. People are there, they are writing.
Yeah.
You have not done the work. But what contract contract no? Why?
Have you?
Now
what do you want to say?
Me tell you what I say.
And I say also
it is a football. Minimum boy minimum share. Ekwan minimum ya. Me fast na papa mi.
Have you? Now what kwai no kwai na ofuti
na medal. Me say abanyam wadwuma. What the contract?
Na so ye kwan kura beto muanuma. You
haven't done it. You haven't done it. It's not nice. You want to be president.
No.
What you got to do it. You were trained from Abuja.
No. Now what on Tiasia also Kasa?
You haven't done the work.
That won't Tiasia.
Kofi Wunye.
Me say
Brekum Kwai Kofi Wunye.
So we will be
Ula kwai back when our boss yi. And also Kofi Wunye.
Me say won't Tiasia. So what Tiasia?
Abana mawadwuma bebre, you are not doing it.
Mama ma yeah, obi a wo hwe okra betimi aka mo acha. Ohene na wo say futuro abo ama na bosu mu na dwane no. Won sa go so ohene no. Wo say futuro abo no. Futuro ne begu kwan so. Somebody did something.
Kofi asema na okay.
Make futuro down. What kind of
Kofi contract na
somebody brought the futuro from somewhere.
See, this is what I'm saying, that you are a bad road contractor.
No.
Because a Debbie.
Now what's can you
in futuro Jubilee House anymore in futuro
what's say?
What him say even Ghana quota so kram futuro also. Yes.
I say obi I say obi prepare on prayer na.
Oh. Who come futuro? And Kofi, on a more serious note, adwuma na wajeje no kwana koye.
Now me miskana koye na.
Me na miskana koye. No bi so asa kwaje.
Now why
you say pre-finance? Now what this card be na kwaje?
Na won ti ase. Item go say won ti ase.
Mente dey be ase.
So what ti ase ka won ka dey work no. Because adwuma no ya. Now before the was no. Adwuma no ya. We be certificate. O the connect
Kofi ya ti ase ba wo dey political contract.
And then there
ya ma political contract.
And now this
adwuma no wonyai. And na kwan ni gu ho.
Na wo this kaka ho.
O construction firm.
Construction firm
your friends.
Then we this contract no.
Na yin tax ye dem a.
What ma me tax?
Wo kwa ye ECJ do over $1.7 million yan fa ma.
Na
tell me I'm lying.
And usika na de ko ye.
I have me tax.
Sure.
Yes.
Wo tax.
Yes.
E wo fa.
Ghana for a tax now buying over $1.7 million. What $1.7 million as you tax?
Say doom light now what them man doom light the man guys all the tax between.
Yeah, no.
Tax light now.
Mr. Asiedu,
how you tall light, you know? Light,
yeah, tall light. If you watch over $1.7 million
light in
dollars.
Who feel light in a one no? Who feel light, you know? Abandon your light in the car.
Debbie.
Now it's not going to say on what this cannot. No, the become a contract secondary supply. No, I don't
know. Okay, Chief. A Jumana buying the amount. ECG over $1.7 million. And fire Jumano. Fire Jumano. Jaisa. That president. You must be able. Would you buy a Juma? Now, would to me, yeah, Kokatra buy Joe contract me to me. But you want to be president and you have taken money and you are not working.
No, you are making a very big mistake.
No, Kofi, you are taking money.
No. What can I tell me? Some 1.7 million free.
Kofi, you are taking money from government and you are not working.
Free. What's any free now?
No, Kofi, you have taken money from government.
Business.
You have abandoned the roads.
No.
You have abandoned the road project.
You are not
working on the road project.
You don't understand business.
I do.
Because
unless, of course, you also like those politicians you want to steal.
If they ask you to supply this, wait, they are free. Over can I now, so because of the 2,000. Now, Kofana they bring you 2,000. 2,000 be good. Don't you know you go and buy before you supply? So please don't say those things when you don't understand business.
Kofi, what's
not run business before? If I run business before, you don't say somebody are doing. Please, you don't understand.
Kofi kwaya no.
Fe Kofi Job. Nebu say Kofi Job say.
Me Kofi Job ni asem we.
Dabio. Me say. Ana Ibrahim. Ibrahim say the contract now.
Kofi. I am telling you right before.
Ali said you are material. Kofi say Ali. Eduma now.
Mile 15 to who kwan no. Corner koye.
Oh
yeah, who be the president? Now you are behaving like this. One, number two.
No.
Brekum kwan Kofi.
No. You
na koye kwan no. Number three. ECG transformers. No, what's the supply ni na wie?
Me say.
No. Answer.
Aban tia me kase.
About ECG commercial manager na friend. What's the supply? Transformers in a way. After you have received over $1.7 million.
Now, ECG, who say abandon for the 2 say, who come cruise come
can you imagine this?
Now what can abandon for the ECG say, or cruise come say,
yes, see, public toilets on plots of land was sold to MPP Tema Central Secretary for 2,000 Ghana. Yes, see, MPP was so no. Public toilet be an ECS so you told my MPP secretary the year 2,000 Ghana. MPP ni ebini. Yes, say, public toilet on plot of land was sold to NPP Tema Central Secretary for 2,000 Ghana. Yes, see, public toilet. Asase Bawku public toilet be so ya ton public toilet na ka ho. Anything na ache sa aka kire mo no. Ya ka che say ache sa aka no kra na baka say public toilet no MPP for omaton bini na ton asase ne dia ma omo secretary Tema Central Secretary no ya MPP ne ya ton ma 2,000 Ghana. Anything ache sa aka kire mo say sa toilet 7 MPP for no.
Bitten by a snake. The patch say oko toilet na so here le gua e wo ba me so sisu biem o say dey oko jana bia so a wo ko toilet no o hia be guo no ma e wo be tu no ba so na say o water closet so a e de na o no tumba ho I no flash toilet na.
I just have MPP vote to be twice as a toilet in your account at 2,000. Yet to be twice as a toilet good so. KVIP Suma, I am ma. It took us no problem. MPP ni bini. MPP pa go yo. Now, o come some sort of bufu. I say about homework. Yes, I can Japan homework is all monko you said ye. Ono Kennedy na kasa ojina no homework no de mo no akasa otumi nye e de se enwumre Bawumia nkora ne gudam ɛna duba ɛna ɔmo wɛke yɛsi Kennedy sɛ obi di 8 years ɛdi nyaade and 900 cancel 900,000 now wo de 1.8 million no wo de how many years ɛna yɛsi Kennedy sɛ Bawumia in the group anadwi mi no ka sɛ yɛgyinam yɛsi ɔmo frɛ ɛma classes kɔ so Samere wafrɛ ne uncle baako Alhaji Marhik ɔno so aba ɛma kyɛ sɛ yɛsi deɛ ɛkɔ so Bawumia fi ɔde ɛnyɛ easy adan a Kennedy sɛ ayin ɔde mat bi ama ɔmo no ɔmo wɛke mat no adan a it's about Mahama at the 8 years cancel 900,000 so the president there and the Bawumia 1.8 how many years will be the Kennedy said they took away a vein into looking for vein and Bawumia smama my friend and Nyanku for me free chat yes some of your math teachers Muhammad Mahir and Alcid Lahu Sanko for me and I do know be free chat no elective math teachers ba Bawumia few Emma, ya friend Bawumia nkwala ani nyina say ye work nti omo friend radio station for say dey sini nti esi ana mumfa nginam
wachi no it take him 8 years ansa na oba power
2024
na nia olusu 1 million votes it take him 8 years ansa na oba power there nia olusu 1.7 million votes e be taking no dodo sen ansa na oba power if 1 million votes,
if 8 years
is equal to 8 years,
okay,
1.7 million votes is equal to do. Find X. Your work starts now. Hey, no talking. Stop copying in class. No, stop copying. Now over Facebook nso a yeah the camera to so ye twa enti obi over Facebook omo show working obi an show working yeah, come say X no a number of years. By extension, you find Y. Y no a number of person you think attach the years. 5 minutes more to finish work. Those of you students asking for more papers, invigilator, but farm Y. Bra Facebook, I hired there. Just say they are showing work, you know. Bra Facebook. 2 minutes more to finish work. One minute more. And in case more on Facebook, the most betimi opinion, if 1 million votes is equal to 8 years, 1.7 million votes is equal to what number of years? Find X. And the Y should be the personality attached. By 1 minute, my students should be ready. Please get ready to submit your papers. Invigilator, get ready to take the papers from the student. I can see that we have students who are comporting themselves very well. Okay, at this point, be getting ready. Mami Jemfua, I'll see you guys was stress. Kim Farouk, I'll see invigilator. Somebody is copying. No. Samuel Evans Ota, I'll see if 1 million is going to 8 years. Okay, Momo no meka, my students be a clue. Yeah. Sakra, stop work. Hey, come on.
I'm foul. Hey, you were tired. Just say a crone Casano, Anna, I pity your Mahama. Because deeper womb. And nyina problems with John Mahama. Hey, JM. It don't be small job give you. I tell you, boga. It don't be small job, JM. I could out that, I don't know. And easy zoo. It's yes, say Kennedy, so I'm a MPP for homework. My Samira, no for me, no feature about Samir. One no for Alhaji new, any a year Barhak. Omumi no ba, Chesiano, but Oya calculation, technically 13 years, 6 months, and a bit ticky. It is looking like, say, the I didn't do no. A ding. Sammy catcher was a Kennedy, no. Nenkola bring na cardboard na the tibo ho. Na or abutrebi ho. On set nitino. Ebo form kola brim. Ena onyini no ansha no kudu point no ye surgery. Enti enye se ebia oye din anam din se bia ni review. Se on se ono no ho a on remote ase no ha. E kire odo nsabo board ni se kakra. Aye se battery ne hia. Ha. Sana kere ni dia na adwena ye. Enti ono no otimitna wa Now no is no yesterday and it's a remote na aboka kra pe that's it. Enti Kennedy na adwene say remote about na hye. E cho de bobo nsem kakra pa umia so te pa. Eno makomia so no. Enti maka kira mo say de ebesi no and Kennedy de you know Kennedy on the refine Kennedy are refine with the other bottom. And akogina baby say yen so no hwe. When Akpaloo 4 years, 19 years, we from we all panel at the year the year let's develop the country and develop our party. We have to create businessmen. We have to create rich people in the party. And Kamimba, businessmen are creating take over all the cost. But they know what in message what's the message, you know? Our party, you know, it is about how they will make money. We should develop business, rich people in the party. One summer here with the 4 years pay. I had to say, Wako Ashawo liar, just say Emfa our Caswood last one. Kennedy, I just said Kennedy I caught a year Kwashiman down. And say Kennedy Eura is gone. Baby papa you know KFC no one woman can crack down on right one. And I say, oh, that area on. I say, we says, oh, months or some share. Na is your presidency no by force ana. Into Kennedy, or say, yan son and share na when to me and your pamono. Near Tiana Acheampong and another Danko Kufuado. Ebo Pimpinis and Nam Ghana. Some share, you know, another Danko Kufuado. And at the end, any Jimmy Tina Koso Kufuado. Kennedy say, sorry, who Kennedy anymore? Who Kennedy Bawumia anymore? Now, what you say, and they are more banner. You know, Kennedy in Bawumia, you know, Bryan Acheampong, you know, country, and you know, snatch. Mumu wine pan, as I say, you're born as send yes, you go see no mumu or send Kedemuka, yes, I send you on the Cosimina, Muko, Yakobo Munama send him. Into Kennedy, Yesiano, Mama, you make Sika, na party for Niska. Their message is all about money. Mina between 4.6 million. Mina between 300,000. Bryan Acheampong or should kukum. Ewo kuho. Or one or two safra more for Basembra. No, or campaign, kukum campaign, hotel campaign. Into the way say, Bryan Acheampong so or should hotel ho. Or to some class for delegates the bar. Omunda hotel papa da. Oba or some more standard room. Amwa Wakma or no pechi number 2 no te. Or call GSS no jaye. Onko SS na adwene nyedwuma we di delegate saa na Bryan Acheampong say yemfa bas in fanemra enti aso pechi number 2 pechi number 3 ayanwene so yase so mu nyina nipa 30 40 yes Bryan say momra the hotel ho omo beduru a omo ni so nyina mo hyen o se mo standard room kwame takora owura hola onim se bia so eye de insuo no de bia no call reception boy mo ma bibi maye enti anytime omo bia no reception for the buofu because 2 minutes bia atakura beba anase frempoma anase ayensia obeba beka se ene BBC wo dem ho I would da wote ppp dia also alarm no normally no ebia BP keke o se ai me dey metima sum pin mentimi me say Bryan Acheampong or the same grass for delegate in the hotel, and I joke over serious. My corner be a jumo. Or say, about 11 about Quaba. Or say, I boy, media me see me down from a beef family. Me didn't want me to see it. None of them says, I had the air condition. I need to be born a gina now, bar from now. Media bedumuno. Was it some grass for? I do a double to me now. Into about me that reception why busy into anytime be a delegates baby piano reception normally one person but be not about 4 no more because I had there 10 minutes of baba almost about no be none a chin as to tau on also a delegate number 3 a year into boom the Bryan is on broad campaign or say madam was bo na a day demi me see a puning safwan piano and a bijino Safway, my shusha, and I bring all that be and for Safon to a card. I say, to say the Momo card, I'm going to put on say that be, would a cut to never card no barno, a baby, or some Mr. Boy, Mijina Puniano, my shusha Safwa, may Chinese Safwa. Inti, ya can't so go to room near the key, the man, no, a cardinal, or I could not put on 6:30 and I do 12 or Baba catcher and say, boy, me the Mijina Punano chance of what. And the job, Alaji, for more than ever before Jimmy. Kenele Japan say, yes, on him. I just wako jantila liar or no wakonya eye alamfumbia or kaje say some she. Not just say president didn't know a jantila like and I'm on some she 4 years manya dia na me ko no be the media nesua. Hey, in Kofi we pa the sense of entitlement here too much. Say before they feel so entitled. Just say Omadjom say I was somebody president. I'm off is easy. I am with them on some 4 years and yeah na me ko. Hey, I go we pa. Utisa opener. Jani so 4 years na ko. Nanya na also a businessman. Ko business ne fanko fo adwuma. I also party ne make sika na ye nya sika fo mo pe sika fo party a mo ko nam ko galam sei kwasiafo. Iti Acheampong ono hotel campaign oyo o makrom o hye nwuram. Ene we siti da egu nwuram. Into wa no afre mo fa set we mbra na masese mo. Enti sankofo no. Enti om ko da om ntabuom fo ni nkurasofo om da hotel da. Say you Musa Dan kwa kai also do Jesus SS omunko into omuda and the hotel ho anadwo obeko yedundum air conditioning nyina no yi mattress na to form aye de edam paso be hwe form ye be hwe form say kete so no omuda kete any asphalt into Acheampong mom king size bed ne queen size bed omom pe and omom nom jot so anadwo level om jejeje na hotel na bontene ho security for twema jot tuoma no adan a ye de enum jot for nko 55 embassy any diplomat and a Tosca for the doors so Tosca delegates no into omuda na de achia satan nya selo mu Bryan Acheampong say Bryan strategy odi BT obro no so nim so mu nkurase for ade achia you say hello yes obi I'm sorry oh I was so mutu twom mu ai do yi ni sapo I the odi don't touch me by odi aba the odi eye alata semina omo ba omo de Jakpa omo ba delegate omo Bryan Acheampong hotel Jakpa odi Jakpa eno ma ye eye omo mo yusu omo no omo mix semina go Jakpa abu eno omo de support atum eno makata so intano pa beti po no be bie so no ma ti semina kakra ye go dware I get my mother man. My mother me akasa fe mati am nikede di pe. When you Jakpa. Me be ya. And Friday. And opportunity to was a party chairman. And Tobias when you asokodua was Sania sokodua. I was it pam come na odi asa. O se da me and the why kakra for me. Manager when Jimmy fucking Nketiah. Into better say, constituency treasurer, kwa chairman. Na udia na bi wo ho osia mo kakra osia de wa kakra ma me. But then say we be no de amano. I dey twa last ne. Into here osia secretary osia reception say yentu to so ha. Obeko, no matter the swing you go, in terms of to show I was them, but as a goosey, was them. Na omo the other bent to by the bent yaba, almost about reception of Sremo. Na me refuse away them Sremo. Munsha the Yaki Kedroka or Padukedroka. Or Padukedroka, a woofulu. I like you for more than before the omen you do for more. Before, me for city for fucking more. Abibi, me for city go be some number one. It's about say you are still moving Bryan Acheampong, Bryan or hotel campaign. So when you say the party for the Jimmy, cross for the doorso. Into omu jere we are, boss nam ho. Don't touch me, omu dey asere. Ohwe omu na ho a, I say slate. Omu wa shen. And omu dey yi kiss roll on ni. Omu dey fo omu tuom. O fo omu asa phone no. Et we show him I say about Bryan say mra. I omu nya the same colors. Into anopana chairman abom Joe Flag. Joe Flag. No na to kum. Omu do reception say ye de omu hwe chairman so twitwi ne se. O twitwi ne se, o de so kodua twitwi ne se. Chairman ye chairman reception. Kwasini chairman who thing. And say na waba ye chairman no a nkofo address na chairman the towel twa na say about reception say ope iron. Money iron ho I ma hwehwe dem ho a onim say iron e hwe wodo printain a obeyi o se ma hwehwe mi hu iron o enti towel twa chairman ase e hwe bluebird chale. Bryan Acheampong nyam betu ya leka foki de odi enkurase fo we ro na reception ba kwa say receptionist ba kwa di na chi e na kodem akobie say oh the iron is on this so na mo kire ye na de so nya ba ai esa gas obo yusu omo no de asemo ma say ye enkurase fo bi mo enkurase fo enti chairman enso jare wi a na afi oba reception wa ya say ende mo nyina mo nko eye breakfast conference hall ho o me kodi ase table omni so atan omo so chairman yentena he chairman say Bryan Acheampong mo ma hye eye plate any teacups bebri white and a fork and knife down omo do omo nyina bobri mo ntimi ko bonim yes come forward ye hu the alternate first because table near white entuma white eguso come na ne alternate table entuma white eguso da inti chairman yanya den osimo ntrase ye de nso na mo ye muhin na afi omo twitwi nkonwa twi omo tiwa no mate odin yes yanya den yes ye bedum tea os hey chairman tea chairman enes ye ndidi o anya ndidi nya be bedura ye bedum tea eh na bono nsompa na tea ade a chie wie hwe na pie impeteku omo bebengu mangevufu omo be mangevufu emwa Anopatutu 735 omo pefufuo menkefufuo mwa impeteku Bryan Acheampong sada oda jantre ni so onware ye oni responsibility bia ai wa fe ne toada eno momo kamogu conference hall ai ne chairman dey say ambassador be sa o ya ambassador be sa na no pay e wa bosom de duane de ba de be so ni yi glass ni yi bottle ni yi dien ni fucking knife atun chain ni the omelette kakra atwo de milk kakra si ho ai milk no sa papa no enya ideal milk de engu konkomu egu eye de eye adema ye hwie small cup bi mu na okọ around no the sugar mienu pe ai sugar 2 ai no the gun chain inti omo yom say oh the bread slice get ye twitwa pa no we twa ne fian se eye anyankyirem eye treasure no Fantini. So when you tell or your pan okay, we can slices as a dinner and Jimmy B. You change the other side, move on to 4 years. And Quasiani, Shadium de Bessia, also, Yenya would tell Fantini or MPP with Jimmy Time. When you would tell, or your slices of bread, one pecus on penche for now, one for mum. Fantini or MPP with Jimmy Bruta or penche for Nazi. I no more fool. Enti abasana obetumi tam fork ekutani say woji wa the war minimum osena say efanya dey yesi fork and knife osefa to baby na fa unsadi I was otumi chairman tumi mu akosua no de se pa no we mia otumi mia pa no na no aka pa I ti no yesi na esi kire na yesi esi kire tutu eje tutu sen na kokokora to na bonten ma osisi sen mo fa kire bi meka ho o ya bi before wajimi o impeteku we enti omdidi wia. Yes, so please, you guys can go to the conference center and wait for Bryan Acheampong. Sometimes Bryan Acheampong, Oko for Jantra for paging or than a giant. Omunya who Bryan Acheampong still campaign Nikoso. Hotel campaign, no, will you soon go for the fucking? It's Bryan the bar, no Bobby same, it's Bryan the boss. A DNC 9:45. And I chairman say, oh, Bryan, BBI okay, also, BBI okay. So I said, hey, you I say, na omunye bibia mamo so you buy ndidi ye na hey manager way hey Franco come here I Bryan no say hotel ra I Franco na nipa bibribe we nipa 35 omunye ndidi so say we have served them I say but the man is telling me he's not eating, they have all not eaten. I say, oh, we served them beverage. I say oh say amamu tea kakra. I say na Bryan pa why so ni maybe free. Ya pefufu e posima akofa tea. Momunye bibi maya na yentu metna afi Bryan say okay kitchen call the chef. Do you guys have some neat fufu? And so yeah, we can. Do you have also we have 30 minutes we can. So obviously yeah Bryan na eko ro ajima iko sim de no sika ho ya beboa yetia we intimate yeah Bryan na ania menke fufu e possible ba enkwasiafo alaji fo mo. Bryan Acheampong settings ngwa ohun se party do mu GB enti omko efufuo na ba wonim se ebofuro nkwan enti Bryan so on the hotel or ntwen kakra abrofo no ba omuhu omo enti omko ntwen no omko atwen no omo ebuom because okachom say organic paste sa na okachre omo also can you get them some of the organic paste in conforo MPP delegating me so also otwen bini enti on say ne hotel on o baby a okipu ntwen any zebra ne ade abrofo no ba oh beautiful zebra oh beautiful antelope oh this nice deer enti unicorn chef go say Franco get them the soup give them the antelope paste okọ eye ntwen buom no the shovel akote otwen bini pa ekuta Franco say I don't know kitchen table so now we want you so near no me gum sieve no mo sieve so because otwen no mo ne aya na abanka kan kakra bom into mo sieve so anaka green no no ma boase into mo tomatoes ne jene ene supeku gum a eye kakra no mo otwen apete so into na esema kakra no mo nsu awo no enti na Bryan Acheampong or kasa e won hotel na delegacy to no ma say no omunyina nsan ho bon otwen bini omu nsan ho bon otwen bini cause wa feel omu enti de okan nyina one vote no Bryan no vote no Bryan no vote no Bryan no vote because omu te won omu yes na no Bryan no vote no Bryan say otwen bini a charge after 34 minutes and not 37 minutes enti omu te won say no do 32 minutes 33 minutes 34 minutes no Bryan no vote no Bryan no vote no Bryan no vote it's your chin bini chargement Bryan or your scammer onim so mo jimi alaje for mo Kere Japan say and try and share. Mokai we.
Afi, most of me there. Masasa, most of me there. I'm most. They should be a woman who want to meet me. I am more man. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya. Afi, most of me there. Masasa, most of me there. I'm most. They should be a woman who want to meet me. I am more man. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya.
When Akpaloo 4 years, 19 years, from Sanfa from Ra, we Obia all at the minute the best answer. The year won't want
Afi, most of me there. Masasa, most of me there. I'm most. They should be a woman who want to meet me. I am more man. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya. Afi, most of me there. Masasa, most of me there. I'm most. They should be a woman who want to meet me. I am more man. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya. I say you are more than Jamubaya. Afi, most of me there. Masasa, most of me there.
When Akpaloo 4 years, 19 years, from Sanfa from Ra, we Obia all at the minute the best answer.
The same 442 now. Our language is the same. Sanko Fui, they are the same. At the Fufu Bia and Frio Mumba. Sanko Fu made way Jimino, not directors say school feeding or better day.
Next month, ladies and gentlemen, we are digitizing the school feeding program. And next month, I will launch. We looked at it last week. It's all set. Next month, we will launch a digitized school feeding program. We will know every school in the country, every day. If you feed them rice and beans, we will know. How many students you have fed, we will know. There will be no room for kululu in the school feeding program after we launch this program next month.
That's wonder goodness. Yes. Ya me obrohofo. Manya possible. Yes. Papa tampa. Ma anya possible. Amen. Kongro. Ona nimudi ye. Yes, Lord. Emma woma. Yes, repa. Ye paucho. Papa yes. Papa wone Christ. Oh yes. Na wash. Yes. Oh yeah, Jesus. Okay, said in Jesus Christ. Yes. Amen. Amen. Oh, Nketiah pa. Yes. Yes. Nketiah pa. It is possible. Yes. Yes. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. Go for it.
Every vote. Every vote. We now put trepa. Omuwiera. Omu lose election. Then anajuno lose no sabe ka kire say.
Se wani kuma kokoda. Se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman. Se wani kuma kokoda. Se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman. Se wani kuma kokoda. Se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman. Se wani kuma
egofo e onye nipa o MPP for obejimi brutal makacha Ghana for say mamu pay attention to MPP o onye nipa o me so mo yempeteku imbrechie eno maba together abeti party omunimu nyansa bogus because Acheampong ya edi nyina and Friday We will be here on Monday to discuss Ghana. We've been on air for 3 hours, 30 minutes. Monday evening, I'll be here, God willing. Now, it me I discuss the Oho Emma Ghana. I'm very happy to have you. We've been here for 3.5 hours. I really appreciate you, your support, and every single whatever you have added to this platform. Now, man, for say after 2024 elections, we are going to shut down. This is my full-time job. I'm catching Kofi. This is what I do. When Onyankopon yeshirame, and I'm going to do it till Onyankopon betu nsafrem. So I'm not going anywhere. This is my job. It's what you know, and I'm going to expand more. This is my full-time job. Yeah, this is my job. That is why I've invested in it. That's why I've invested in studios around. That is why I make sure the quality is still the quality you cannot beat. So this is what I do. I've mastered in this. And God has given me that wisdom to master this trade. I have the best production team, very solid, intelligent people. They support me every single day to make sure when we deliver Ghana for Eti. So it's not a 1 day, 2 day thing. We are going to be here for a long time. And because a long timer, MPP can never get access to power. Makacha Ghana for Onyankopon kukuruku enameso amabetna platform we so. Mekano Krecha Ghana, the NPP will never come close to power. In their head, they know the 42 years is a fact. The 42 years. So, MPP, they know 42 years is constant. They can never come close to power again for 42 years. Yeah, 42 years. They can change the face of MPP. They can change the candidates several times. They can rebrand the party. The banker is 42 years. And nobody, Onyankopon, Eden Sato, so that's it. It says 42 years non-stop. It is not like 2 years' time, 10 years' time, 15 years' time. No. I am going to make sure 42. And if 42 years I am not here, this platform will have somebody to continue to the 42 years. Yeah. And you people should not see this as a joke. So me can't say me na CBB so intina meka. And I'm na CBB so it is because you people are evil. You are bad people. I don't want you people, and God does not want you people to come close to power. So the 42 years, the day I bought election 2024 elections results, and you confirm 42 years, they sealing no. Onyankopon sealing that day. You are done. You people can do whatever you want to do. The NDC will make mistakes. They will disagree at a point. They will have their own issues. But Ghanaians will stick with the NDC. Because the 42 years, it is a curse on the NPP. You can't get out of it. It does not matter who leads you. It does not matter how you rebrand the party. It does not matter whether you form a new party. The NPP bile has been cursed. And Onyankopon formation or this atomoso. So 42 years, you have no space in our politics. But Jimia, you are not even going to win any parliamentary election again. The best you people can do. The best you can do. Some Acheampong said 2028. Mefa 2 seats if it's central region. 2 powerful seats. I will take it. Yeah. 2. I will take it. And you can't do anything about it. 2. I will take those seats. Easy. Here I go. I will see Ghana on Monday. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. It's been a wonderful night. God bless you. God bless me. Cheers and good night. Team, which one? Now you see in Koko ni bako kusie no. Me team nisa mimbo kusie ni video nchiremo na. Some person who say MPP for Jimia. Sometimes when they sit on radio and TV and they are talking, that is when you have to take your time and analyze the way they talk, the way they reason. What some way.
Parliamentary seat be na NDC for so no. What would it be Pamaya free Simona?
I'm a super majority.
Me say, so. Parliamentary seat no mo sasa no. Nya wo no mo sasa. Omo de be Pamaya free Simona mo nka wo. Na fe hu se Ghana ni wiase mu nyina de ache NDC for. Ye jawo mo the election machine no the ekromo. Asemsia, they don't care about dialogue or anything else. Omo diane say yenko sesi akwa ho ye jawo mo bantima kura BBC ahwe meje. What you say? Se bantima kura BBC say ya kwa ndisi fo meje. Edie ben ko na mo pe. Edie ben sesi 185 o say mo de ya den. Se mo de be pam ya free ya si mu mo ya hu. Na afa ya se ya niama ne hu se supreme leader aba. Eti ya nyina ye free wi asimu se Pluto se Satano ni ya kwakotena so. Na ya fa Ghana nchamu. Na de na bibie ni hwa ye kama matiase. Akwatia hwede akoso.
Omo message ni o. You see, omo mu di party ni nim no. Yetumi expose party na we kusie madam fono no. Me do no no so do me. Opemasem. Because be send no $1,000 bi ba onye ready so obeji. Sen ko ba reduce no obeji tum so oh Kevin asema kan no ameka say na meka Gucci banka kusi nam so be be say me send $1,000 bi any ade a anko ji tum anka me send $1,000 but I say onye ready say obe madam fo and danka me de patano maka je be say me campaign mano na anka we win the campaign what's his name minipa yokasa yeah because danka be say me din kan e man $1,000 na me de patano because me MPP mu nyina ono nkwa na madam fo but also on madam fo banko ba radio so so Kevin $1,000 dey bit mama and come man $1,000 keke yeah just take it you know $1,000 here dey and come chen $1,000 and so on fan enyen on fan to cook bi and akusue bi fan patane kra but I say I so but the serious issue ni nyina na say so utie party ni ye wotena se na utie MPP ni no MPP ni kasa bibia ni wakoma mu baby a kire se so to abama MPP that is the thing asama wakan mum de no kre se ende se menhia seat no eto a nyankopon kokroku obefa me so we will take it and those kind of 45-55 taking home I'm taking it with force yempra obia ye be seat dipa be twetia MPP yeah mo pa mo mamu bumfuna MP ba ko maye by election asantememu mo de opa media mem crabo ni ma obi omo pa omo bumfu no mo nche ba akuntwa ni ti no mo ka say okay mo de mo bra by election fight election yen tokwa se obi ko wo bi sikan yo mo de omo pa omo bumfu no mo bu ba akukom na mo ka say aye de share yibu ni kom e bia ye go sie na nti de ti be kan akosie na nti wo de mo be by election ma gi city no mo de mo pa mo ma mo bumfu na mo nche mo MP ba ko kuma na mo bu ni kom na mo ka say ye ni MPP ye bu ni kom headquarters we de kwa kosie nti mo de mo bra by election fight ye ni mo nkontokwa anya sekan ye be gi city ke be gi city ni fala easy kamba bob nsem o benhia ka say hey go for ye politics mu Manchester e da bi Barcelona e da bi politics me e say Liverpool ai kamba bob nsem ama me dem se mo de moni adin a oni ebeko aye no beko oni ebeko aye no mo de mo nchi mo MP ba ko mo bu ni kom na mo ka say ai ye bu ni kom mo mbra by election mo de mo frɛ by election fight keke ye ni obi anko ye be gi city no fala me say ye be kan awie na nipa bebre twa hwe asantemem team obata people team amanfo to teto nipa teto me de me se mo ye mema agro ni entokwa ni mu fa emeton tokwa ni mo nti mo MP ba ko mo bu ni kom na mo ka say mbra by election fight mo jimi bruta mo mo jimi o mo jimi sometimes no utimi tie omo ene omo me also makajo say me ko TikTok ade be pep tie pa ne MPP for program omo kasa omo ye group bi o de me timi tie na me tie omo omo jimi bruta MPP omo adwene ada utie omo a and they are making submissions na utie omo mu di party de chia just say typical Jimmy they cannot think beyond who they are what their name is baby omo free they can't do that like say a Kennedy group no mokasa they cannot speak on issues omo ngata be so we die nyansa wom it is always about fashions and second Bawumia for nekasa they cannot make any argument Bryan just say naturally it cuts across minim se wo nya kasa MPP ni na automatically wo fifi na wo jimi o ube do be 40 no abodam che say omo ye nyoma bi obo bitumi tram say na nkofu wi pan mudi bokodi nchine na ye twa mo be ma pa na mo kase say mfui. They don't have an idea, a clue about governance. Party structures, they don't even understand. When it comes to communicating to somebody to listen and say, party where they met me, they don't understand that thing. And see, sometimes, you know, between sure I say, I don't know, Jimmy, sir, my Jimmy Brisium, Jimmy na tum, Jimmy mu Brisier, I get tum now, to shang, and I said, dancing kind, that's so, my Jimmy. You cannot sit back and say, you know something, let's reason for once as humans. Let us start to think. Me say, mudia muya mema munchi mu MP baku asantimem na mumbunu kum mempe constitution baby amu pebia munchi baku na mumbunu kum. Munya press conference for begina TV na mumbunu kum. Munga say ai mombra ByElection fight. Kamu behum bema. Kamu behum asantimemu. Mo say me ye polling agent. Me gi seat no fala. Magidi Akwatia nana manana de nsabo michi Kevin Taylor chenchen hene mo me kire mu kuri me nya kire mu bibia o me si me gu party no onyankopon wosoro onyankopon Allah onyankopon the way I trust onyankopon e wosoro me gu party no. That was the reason why I was born to come nullify MPP. Na yanti party fufro na enyansafo ndi echire. I am the last generation to stop Jimmy in Ghana. And MPP is the bile of Jimmy. Into me, I was born. I have been born. I will be born again. I have been born to nullify Jimmy. Me try Jimmy T. Into me juma me deba asasi no. That is my core job. Me juma nkasa no. Destroy the party. Nullify the party. I should not allow you people to breed more Jimmy Bium. I'm going to cut off the head in 2028. I will nullify and bury the party. Meguno. Bemani MPP. Obianim nyansa. Mo the party no ekunipa adadanipa etwatro. Into political years to my ba. Me say I will nullify it. Me de nyankopon to me beguno. E Jimmy for. In peteku. Kwasho mo TikTok. Question more Facebook, question more YouTube. Jimmy, nobody in their right sense to say, Akoya Kasimana to Makumaso, me besa me join the MPP. That ben out is asem we be. Meguno. Wallahi, meguno. And onyanko ponsa woman meguno. And you people can see it. You can see it. More just 3 years. Me good party no me. You lie. Me ban muni muntra. Mo Monday. Have a wonderful night. Abwache egigim.